Our mission is to help protect and strengthen honeybee colonies, and Amazon allowed us to scale that. There was a need for something natural that was going to help the honeybees. Honeybees were in trouble. HiveAlive is a natural feed supplement for honeybees. It was developed in conjunction with a bunch of different universities that I worked with and animal feeds experts to create a product that made the bees stronger and healthier. HiveAlive is based on seaweed extracts. Seaweeds have been harvested in the west of Ireland for hundreds and hundreds of years. This is the home of seaweed knowledge and seaweed research.
With Amazon, our small west of Ireland company has become an international brand. There isn't enough beekeepers in Ireland to sustain our business, so we were really interested in expanding online and being where the customers are. Particular of interest to us was the US market, so we really wanted to target that. And we're in Ireland, we're not over there, so Amazon really helped us reach those customers. Because customers trust Amazon already, it's much easier for them to make that purchase on Amazon as opposed to through our website.
A lot of people pretty much only buy on Amazon. If you're not on it, you just will never be able to sell to these people. By going with Amazon, you immediately have access to millions of customers.
We really like Amazon FBA. When we started out first, we were manually packing orders ourselves in our small little office and putting them in the post. So that means sometimes the packages got lost or it took a long time to get there. Now we don't need to worry about any of that. Amazon manages all the logistics. Sales have been huge for us. We've grown from a low base of having just 3 SKUs to now we're the category leader in the US marketplace for bee feed on Amazon. That's a lot of beekeepers, a lot of bees that have been helped by our products around the world.
We think we're in the territories we need to be in, but I think what we want to do is keep offering new and innovative natural products that keep helping the bees. Bees took over my life and Amazon helped take HiveAlive global.